In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, hold your display. Then select Home Settings at the bottom right corner of this pop-up. And now click on Icon Size section available here. Once you do that, operate this slider to adjust size of your icons and check out preview at the top. Then go back. All of your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!